Yeah.
What is going on, guys? Today I have a brand new unboxing. This is the copper ball. So, yeah. So I got this at school because of the they were handing out prizes for like getting 100 points or something like that. So yeah, this is the copper ball. The back it just shows some stuff. So let's just get this thing unboxed. There we go. That was simple. So let's take everything out of this. Oh, some instructions. Oh, shows. Oh, and that's everything inside of the box. Let's look at this. Okay, so I think this is the remote to turn it on or off. How do I turn this on? Oh, there we go.
Whoa.
Whoa. What was that?
Wow.
Oh!
Whoa.
So many crashes! Oh! Wow, this is intense. Oh, this is the charging battery cords. That was so cool. and I didn't even have to get batteries. Here are the wings. I mean the extra wings for this. And oh, turn this thing off. And here's the charging cords. So goes through the bottom from right here, and I could like connect it somewhere. And what is this? I don't even know. So yeah, that was my unboxing. Stay tuned for this unboxing. And yeah, I got this at school too. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. And yeah. Yeah, see you guys later.
Wow.